Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Tellor. Was needed. Should have made a video yesterday, of course, but Tellor has been absolutely crazy again. This is the 1 hour time frame, but on the 4 hour time frame, you can see right here. I mean, it's now been bullish and manipulated. Oh, excuse me. Bullish and manipulated since the end of August, which is almost 2 months, which is unheard of. I mean, personally, I've never seen something like this. So the big question again, obviously, is, well, will it continue? Will it go up even higher? Or is it finally done? And the answer is, I don't know. All right. I mean, like I said, I've never seen something like this. Personally, I'm not trading this because trading this, I mean, if you go long, like I said, at some point of time, it's going to crash, and it's going to crash down hard. But at this moment, I mean, there's nothing bearish about it. All right. So I also would not go short. And you can also see with the funding fees, the funding fees are actually quite low right now, but the funding fees were very high yesterday and earlier this morning, which also means that there still is a lot of incentive to go long. Here you can see they were actually very normalized for a very long time. But now, yeah, it's just crazy, all right? So we're going to talk about it. We'll take a look at everything. Like I said, the funding rate at this moment, I don't really think we can say that much about that, or I don't think that means that much. Because we saw last week's that it was normal, and TRB still was very bullish, all right? So it doesn't mean that much. And currently, I mean, TRB, like I said, I mean, it has found some resistance, but you can also see that from this 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame, it's spiking again, and it's trying to break above that level around $90. So we'll talk about what the possibilities there are, and just basically, hopefully everything you can expect. All right, so that's what we'll take a look at. Let's get right into it. The first thing we have to take a look at is the momentum, all right, and the open interest and the volume. And what you can see there is that the open interest and the volume yesterday started increasing rapidly right here. And today, I mean, the open interest has fallen down quite a bit. It's increasing a little bit more since or for the last 2-3 hours or so. But the volume is steady. Open interest is steady as well for the last couple of hours, at least. So in my eyes, the best thing we can take a look at is the technicals. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can still see TRB is very bullish, but it did get a bit of a retracement from $95 and $96. The next price target in my eyes is probably between $100 and $105. It's a bit hard. I mean, we're taking a look at those levels given historical price action, but the price action of TRB right now is nothing like it has been historically. So it's a bit hard to take a look at it that way, but I would say today, whether TRB is going to continue this bullish momentum or not depends on how it reacts to $90. All right, if it breaks above $90, it's going to rally up higher. It's going to go up towards 100, 105, and then from there, who knows? I mean, 115 is possible, 125, perhaps even 150. In my eyes, it's all possible because I've never seen something like this. So you should be prepared for that. So that's what we're waiting for, because if it's not able to hold to break above $90 again today, that is also significant, because that means that TRB got a bearish breakout, and that is not able to get back above that level. So that's major bearish confirmation, and then I would say it's more likely that TRB will fall down further towards 75 and $72. So it could really go both ways. And like I said, I mean, that's just the truth, because the funding rates do not tell us that much. And like I said, the open interest, sure, it has dropped down a bit, which is a bit bearish, but it's also stabilizing at like for the last couple of hours. So both of those things could go both ways. So there's absolute, like, I would actually say it's most likely that it will break above $90 and go up higher. But that's mainly because of the trend which it is in right now. And I don't think TRB has pulled back enough to say that trend has been broken. And I think most of you agree with me on that, but still. So yeah, that's my take on TRB for now. If you do have any questions about anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Check the links down in the description for my premium group, in which I also share my own trades. So if you're interested in that, consider joining, but that's up to you. You can check out some more info down there as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.